Hello everyone, this is Shamim and welcome to Simply Shamim 2.0 YouTube channel. In this video, I am discuss about how to create a press release backlink, and at the same time you can see here a spreadsheet and 13 websites are available here. You can create press release backlink from the starting website totally free. In of the video, I am discuss about how to get this spreadsheet totally free from me. But now I am discuss about how to create a press release backlink for your website. At first, I am select a website and I am enter for press release website.com. After enter this website, you can see like this interface. Okay, this is totally free website. You can see here is submit press release option are available. To create backlink, you have to need create an account at first. I have an account already, so I am login first. Okay, you can see my account are login successfully. Now I am click on submit press release option. Now you can see here a form available. Now today I am create a press release backlink for this website. So at first I am copy title. Now you can see here is news title are option are available. So I am give this title and company name. Okay, I am copy my company's name and paste here. And you can see here is email and name option are available. Your company's Gmail you give here and give here your name. Now I am select my business category. Okay, now I am select subcategory e-commerce. Now you can see here is news body option are available. Now I am copy just my description. Okay, to create a backlink, a unique content or description is most important. So I'm just copy for example. Okay, news body will be maximum 800 words. Okay, now I am select my country, my company's country. You can see here is address option are available. You can give here your company's address and website URL and your targeted keyword. Okay, now I am select a keyword for my website. Okay, you can see here is upload image option available. You can upload your logo from here and a mobile number and phone number you can give from here. Now I am copy my company's or website address and just post here. Then you can see here is post news option are available. To create a press release backlink, I'm just click here. Okay, now you can see here is success news post successfully. My backlink are instead approved here. So this way you can create a press release backlink for your website. So if you want to get this spreadsheet total free from me, just check my description box and here is my LinkedIn account link. Just knock me here, then I will share this spreadsheet. Thanks for watching the video.